Hello friends, we are welcome to LAI tutorials, and today we are going to look at the SBA system that I've used Excel to develop. We're going to go through and see how it works. If you need one for your school, then you contact me for that. So this is the Excel file, and it contains these reports from BS1 to GHS3. Then we have the mock. Okay, and with this system you would be able to get the report for students so easily. So we are going to launch this. Open. Okay, so this is the Excel splash screen. After the Excel splash screen finishes displaying, it is also going to display the system splash screen. So let's humbly wait for the Excel splash screen to finish loading. Okay, so it is done. So when the system opens, this is what you are going to see. So this is the home page of the SBA system. At the home page, we have these buttons which will lead you to my WhatsApp, my email, my YouTube channel, my Telegram page. We have these buttons over here. This is used to close the system. If you use this, it's not going to work, so you have to use this to close the workbook. And this is used to sign up onto the system. If you click on this, a new user, you'll be able to sign up onto the system to get a login details. So this is for the login. When you sign up, your details will come here, then you use here to log in. If you are the administrator, you can access the page through this. Okay, you enter the administrator password, and this is for the developer. If I want to access your page, if there is an error, I would have to access the page through here. I don't want to interfere with your signing and all those stuff, so I would have to log in from here. Okay, I enter my developer username and developer password to enter into the system. And so in this case, I'm going to sign up. So you write your name, then your staff ID, then your phone number, then your username, then your password. So you enter your password. Okay, then you can click on this to create. So registration successful, click me. So you click this, you have created an account. So you would want to log in, so you click on login, then you select this button. The I could be here, then you provide the password you gave to the IC, then you click on sign in. So login successful. Okay, so when it's opened successfully, it will open the dashboard for you to access the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. The dashboard contains the report system and the school count. Okay, the report system and the school count. So let me start with these ones I've explained already. This will send you back to the home page, and these things too I've explained it already. So with the school count, if you click on this icon, this is going to count the number of nursery to KG to BS6 to GHS. So as you are providing the names, it will be counting the number of males and females here, and it will give you the total number of primary students, total number of GHS students, total number of nursery students. Then it will give you the total number of students in the whole school. So you can click this to go back to the dashboard. Okay, so here, this is where the report system itself is. So you click on this one, then it opens the report page for you. We have the primary and the GHS. Okay, so let me explain these things over here. The settings, when you click on the settings, it will open this page for you. At this page, you'll be able to choose the classes, enter the term that you are working with. The number of row will be gotten from the school count, so you can type in anything here. Here has been logged, but for these places, if you want to change the term, you click here. When you're choosing it, it will require a password. The password will be given to you if you are using it. You type in the password, then you'll be able to change where editable. Okay, some part of the sheet has been locked permanently. That is why password has been given to the places you can do the editing. So you provide the academic year, the district or municipal, the region, the school contact. You provide all the details necessary here, the class teacher's name, the headmaster's name. These ones are not editable because it affects the report system. So these ones can be edited, these ones cannot be edited. So you provide these basic details over here. Okay, then you click this to go back. Let's go to the registry. As I'm explaining this one, it's the same thing that applies to this. This is the registry. The registry, when you select the registry, it will give you a pop-up menu where you select the class. So let's say BS1, and so here you are going to type in the names of the students. So let's say I have typed in the names of the student. Let me add another one, Abigail. Okay, so it will need a password, so you enter that password, then you click on OK. You can now enter the name, Abigail Asabia. So Abigail Asabia, then you provide the gender, then number on row 65. She was in school 65 times. So you provide the conduct. Okay, the conduct. So let's say jovial, or something like this over there. Then you provide the attitude. So let's say friendly. So then you provide the interest. So let's say ampy. So you provide these things over here. After you are done, you need to arrange the names in ascending order here. So you click on this, you click on this, my mouse is, you click on this, ouch. Okay, let me go back here and come again. I would have to come back again. Okay, so let's look at it again. So you type in the names here. Let me go back and do something over here. Let me log them. Okay, so good. So you type in the names here, you click here, then you arrange it in ascending order. So you click on this, so you type on this one, then A to Z, so it will arrange the names in ascending order. It changes everything here. Now you can do that the same thing to BS2, BS3 up to BS6. Okay, so you click here to go back. Now editing is being done here. You come to the CA input. When you click on this here, you select BS1. The names you entered has come here. Okay, they have also appeared here. And in here you're going to type in the marks of students for test 1, group work, test 2, project and exams. So it will need a password as usual. So let's say test 1, the person had 23. Then let's say group work 18. Then this one to 26. Then this one to the person had let's say 17. Then exams 80. So you provide it here or here. So as you have provided the marks over here, you can go to BS2 and do the same thing. Then you come back, you come to compute CA. Here it is going to accept the values you entered here, collect the names here, then it is going to strike the 50, the total, the 50%, the grading and the remarks and the position. Okay, so you see the values I entered here, they are also here. Okay, they are also here. Then it gives a total 50% of the CA exam, 50% of exams, the total of the cards and the exams. It strikes the position, the grading, the position, the remarks. So this place too cannot be edited. It is just for view purpose only, and it does the computations we need. You can navigate through the rest over here. So after you are done, you come to the master sheet, BS1. The master sheet contains everything you need on the report system, from settings to the CA input. So everything comes here. Everything here will be moved to the report system. So you see, everything you entered has come here. All the subject for all students and every name for BS1 student has appeared here. Okay, so that is how it is. Very, very simple. So you can navigate through the rest also over here. You go back. Now you come to the CA summary. The CA summary will contain the summary of CA for all the classes, so that the teacher can print it for record's sake. So when you click on that, you see the marks I entered has also come here. The 23, the 18, the 26, the project, the total, the 50%, the exams, the 50%, the total of the exams, and the cut, the position has come here. So the teacher will be able to print this and save it. So you can just select this like this, then Control P, okay. Then you select print selection. So the teacher will be able to get this and print this and save. Okay, so that's how it is. So let's go back. Good. So we now come to the report. What does the report do? The report contains Word report and Excel report. With the Excel report, you select, then it will open this report for you. So you can navigate through the names here. You select this, then you pick the name of the student, and you enter the password required, then it will generate the report for the student for you. So you see the marks are different. When I select a different name, Juliana, it will change the marks. Okay, so it has been matched with the name. So a name you choose, the report for that particular person will also appear for you to print. So you can just select this like this, then Control P, then the report will come. Then you will just print for the student. If you don't want the Excel report, you quickly come back, use the student report, the Word report, then you click on this. When you click on this, it is going to look for this folder, open it, and open this report for you. Very, very necessary. So let me go back. So I click on BS1, then it will be looking for the location of that BS1 Word report. After it finds it, you see it opening here. So let's humbly wait. My computer runs slow, and so it is taking. Okay, so here is it. I've had a lot of problem. I'll have to address it very soon. So let me end it now. Let me open another one and see Word report. Let me open BS3 and see how BS3 will also be. Okay, good. So BS3 is in. So you click on yes. Let me enlarge it. So it is requesting that I find the Excel file and connect the database. So this is it. I connect it. Click on this. So the database will run through. So it has been connected. After connection, it will open the report for you. So let me allow. Okay, so here is it. So it has been connected. If you want to see whether it has been connected successfully, you come to mailings. So you see all this part has been activated. If they are not activated, it means the database is not connected to the Excel workbook. So it means it has been connected. So if I click on this, it is going to move to the next person. Click on this, move to the next person. Click on this, move to the next person. Okay, so and the data here will also be changing as to the students' details. Okay, good. So if I want to print for the whole student, I just come to finish and merge, edit individual document, then the number of students 1 up to, let's say, 5 students, the first 5 students, I click on OK. It is going to generate another Word report called letters. You see letters, and it will generate the 5. You see 1 out of 5. So that is 1 of 5. So to generate 5 reports with their names: Juliana, Kwesi Frimpong, Latte, and the rest of the students. So it will generate their individual report. So all that you have to do, you can save it as PDF or you can print it. So Control P. So you see the 5 reports. the 5 report with their individual names and their individual details. Okay, so if you have a printer, you select your printer here to print it, or better still, you can just Microsoft Print to PDF. You can just save it as PDF. Save it as PDF. So let me save it here as report 2. Report 2, then save. So it will be saved as PDF, where I can just use a pen drive to copy and send it to a printing press to print it for my student. Very simple. So it has finished saving, so I come back. So report 2, I double click to open and see if it has perfectly saved. So let's check and see how it works. Good. So here is it. Good. So here is it. So it has been saved very nicely. Let me go to this part. Okay, so you see it has been saved very nicely. So you just go and print this for your student. Just send it to a printing press, you print it, and you are good to go. So basically that is what the system does. Okay, that is what the system does. Good. So you can get one for your school. After you are done with everything, you just come back, click on this and come back, go to the school count. I added some values to BS1. See, it has appeared here and the number has increased 19. So you can just click on this, then you just click on this. Then if you want to close it, yes, you click on yes, and everything close. So basically that's how the system works. I encourage you to get one for your school. Thank you.